Welcome to J&J's test video of 9667, a 2003 H2 with a bad transmission, 162,000 miles on it. I like to call these the cars I love but would never want to own. So, dry rotted tires on some decent wheels, rock rails with some steps, the seats are worn out, we got luggage racks, seat switches, just anything and everything. There's a lot of these still out there that people enjoy. Can't move, but the motor runs nice. Looks like it was from Texas. I can't remember. I buy them and then forget about them. You can see down here. Oh, El Senor Grande Ranch. I'll have to look that up. Let's see if we get a closer reading. The air is ice cold, like freezing cold. Ooh, the idle comes down when I move this through. Let me do this. Didn't touch the throttle. 162, 532. No sunroof. Let's open the hood. Probably relearning the math. Wrap it up. Alright, no transmission test, cold air conditioning. Well, that's really about it. Let's check and see if the mirrors fold. There they go. Pull back out. Good mirrors for somebody. Let's see if we got a door panel. It might make it. We'll see when it comes out. A little extra there. Alright, as always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.